Hello everybody, I'm Alexis Brink and I'm the president of Jin Shin Institute in New York City, and I'm a TAP trainee of the USA TAA. I would like to share with you the Art of Jin Shin, a dynamic form of energy medicine that originated in Japan. In Jin Shin, we use our hands and apply them to our body to integrate our feelings, calm our mind, and harmonize physical symptoms. We will explore the qualities of the body, mind, and spirit concept in relationship to transactional analysis. We will also take a look at the 5 drivers and how they can affect the body. In this workshop, you will learn simple holds that a client can apply to themselves when they are unable to connect verbally. They may be dissociative, they may be anxious, or in a pre-verbal state. And Jin Shin will allow for them to come back to the here and now and connect to their body. We will also practice simple holds that you can do to help stay present when you feel triggered in a session. You will walk away with a basic understanding of the philosophy and principles of the Art of Jin Shin, as well as practical tools you can use with clients in your practice and on yourself. There will also be time for individual questions and comments. See you there.